Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to review an amazing course that will help you build a unique personal brand and make people remember you. And the best part, you can get this course completely free and legally with a special coupon. Have you ever thought about creating a powerful personal brand? Do you want to stand out and position yourself as an expert in your field? This course is exactly for you. Personal Branding System 3.0. Unique secret for your success. More than 67,000 students have taken this course and learned the essential skills too. In this course, you will learn, develop the mindsets, skill set S, and tools at S to create an amazing personal brand. Learn the secrets of powerful personal positioning and branding. Establish your unique identity to make a lasting impact. Stand out in your industry and attract the right opportunities. How to get this course for free? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can get this course completely free and legally. Just go to Google and search for discounted course in Yacom. Make sure to enter the address exactly as mentioned here. Once you enter the website, find the course Personal Branding System 3.0 and click on Get Coupon to claim your free access to the course. Attention! You only have 3 days left at this price, so make sure to grab it before it expires. In addition to this course, you will have access to thousands of other free courses in areas like business marketing, public speaking communication. Get a valuable certificate. Upon completing this course, you will receive a certificate of completion, which you can add to your resume and improve your job opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with the latest learning opportunities. Looking forward to your comments, and I wish you all the success.